Mapagpalang araw sa inyo mga ka-fighter. Today we'll talk about laws of exponents where A is the base, M and N are known as exponents. Then we have the first rule, we have product rule where A raised to M times A raised to N equals A raised to M plus N. You need to add the exponents. Okay, in order for it to enlighten, let's have an examples. Okay, now first example, x squared times x fourth. So all you have to do is copy the variable x, then add the exponent 2 plus 4, right? 2 plus 4. Then let us simplify. Write x, then 2 plus 4 equals 6. So that's our final answer. Okay, let's move on to example number 2. We have 2x squared times negative 4xy. So first and foremost, multiply the numerical coefficient. We have 2 times negative 4. We have negative 8. Then multiply x squared times x. We have x raised to 2 plus 1. Bakit 1? Dahil meron niyang imaginary 1 ang x. Kapag x lang nakita nyo. Then copy the remaining variable y. Afterwards, simplify it. So negative 8x plus 1, we have 3y. So that's our final answer. This time, let's move on to the second law of exponent. We have quotient rule. We have a raised to m over a raised to n equals a. So copy lang ang common variable a. Then we need to subtract the exponents or m minus n. Say for instance we have x raised to 5 over x cubed. All you need to do is copy the common variable x, then subtract its exponents. We have 5 minus 3. X equals 5 minus 3 equals what? We have 2. X squared. Okay, let's have another example. To simplify this given problem, just simplify first 4 over 8. To find the value of 4 over 8, you need to look at a small number. We have 4. Diba, mas maliit yung 4 kaysa sa 8. So you need to divide both sides by 4. It goes like this. 4 divided by 4, 8 divided by 4. So we have 1. 8 divided by 4, we have 2. So we have 1 half. So the value of 4 over 8 equals 1 half. Then this time, let's combine together with the same variable. We have a raised to 10 minus 5. Dahil 5 yung exponent sa ilalim ng a. Then next, let's proceed to another variable. We have variable b. Then let's subtract their exponent. 6 minus 5. Afterwards, simplify it. Copy 1 half. A raised to 10 minus 5, we have 5. B raised to 6 minus 5, we have 1. Understood? Pwede na hindi isulat ang 1 dahil meron niyang imaginary 1 kapag isa lang variable na kita nyo. Okay? Let's proceed to another concept under law of exponent. We have power rule where the quantity of a raised to m raised to n equals m times n. Say for instance, we have x raised to 5 raised to 2. So we'll use multiplication. This time, we need to multiply its exponent. We have m times n. And this time, let's simplify the first example. You need to copy variable x, then multiply the exponent. We have 5 times 2, we have 10. Very good. 5 times 2 equals 10. Number 2, we have here x raised to 4 over y. Then, merong exponent sa labas. So, all you need to do is copy x. Then, write 4 times 3. Again, kapag y lang na makita mo, meron niyang imaginary 1 na exponent. So, 1 times 3, we have y cubed. Simplify the numerator. We have 4 times 3, we have 12. So, that's why x raised to 12. Then, copy lang ang denominator, y cubed. This time, let's proceed to another concept of law of exponent. We have power of a product. we have two terms, AB raised to M. So, ganyan ang ganyang formula. Then, we have, first example, the quantity of x fifth y raised to third equals x raised to 15. Bakit? You need to copy the variable x, then multiply the exponents. 5 times 3, we have 15. Okay? This is understood. Then let's proceed to y. Then multiply the exponent to y. So we have y cubed. Our final answer is x raised to 15 y cubed. This time, just copy 4 and make an exponent 2. Then 6 raised to 2 times the exponent outside the parentheses. Then b raised to 4 times the exponent outside the parentheses. Then simplify it. So what is 4 squared? That is 16. Then c raised to 4 because 2 times 2 equals 4. B, 4 times 2 we have 8. So that's our final answer. The fifth law of exponent, we have zero exponent rule where a raised to 0 equals to 1 or any variables or numbers raised to 0 that is equal to 1. Just like number 1, 5 raised to 0 that is equal to 1. Kapag merong raised to 0 that is equal to 1. Number 2, we have 12x raised to 0. So what we have observed that 12 don't have an exponent of 0. That's why copy lang 12. Then x raised to 0 that is equal to 1. 12 times 1 equals 12. Third example, we have the quantity of x plus 3 raised to 0. So automatically 1. Then the last law of exponent, we have negative exponent rule. We have the formula a raised to negative x equals 1 over a raised to x. Number 1, 7 raised to negative 1. So just write to 1 over 7 raised to 1. So we need to change the sign of the exponent into positive. So the answer is always positive. What about number 2? X raised to negative 5. So just write to 1, then x raised to 5. Understood? So just copy x raised to 5, then change the exponent into positive. What about number 3? B raised to negative 2. So just copy b, then change the negative 2 into positive 2. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.